complicated electric circuit, we won't be able to apply Ohm's law. So, Kirchhoff put forward the two laws to study complicated circuit, and these two laws are Kirchhoff's first law, and this law is also known as junction rule. This law states that the algebraic sum of current meeting at a point in an electric circuit is always equal to 0. To explain this, let us consider a point O in an electric circuit at which current I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 are flowing through 5 conductors and they have a particular direction. So here we have taken the current flowing in the conductor towards the junction of the conductor is taken as positive, and the current flowing away from the junction is taken as negative. So the currents I1 is negative and I3, these two are flowing away from the junction O, so they are negative. And I5 is also negative, and I4 and I2 they are flowing towards the conductor, so they are taken as positive. Then according to this junction rule, the sum of all these currents is at point O is equal to 0. So it means that I1, which has negative sign, plus I2 positive sign, I3 negative I3 plus I4 plus negative I5 is equal to 0, means negative I1 plus I2 minus I3 plus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. So this is our junction rule. The Kirchhoff's second law, which is also known as loop law, it states that in any closed path of an electrical circuit, the algebraic sum of the EMF is equal to the algebraic sum of the product of the resistance and the currents flowing through them. To explain this law, let me take a closed circuit. To apply this loop law, we have to keep in mind few things. First is the current flowing in anti-clockwise direction is taken as positive, and clockwise direction it will be taken as negative. And second is the EMF of the cell is taken as positive if it sends current in the circuit in anti-clockwise direction, or otherwise it is taken as negative. So total EM of this closed loop ABC is equal to E1 plus E2. So E1, it is sending current in anti-clockwise direction, so we will take this as positive, and I2 negative because it is sending current in clockwise direction. So this will become E1 minus E2. Sum of the product of the resistance and current in ABCA closed loop is equal to, first we will start from this I. This I is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So we will take this as positive I, and this is passing through this R1, I, R1. And this I2, if we see, this is also in anti-clockwise direction, because we will take this as positive. So this is I2 multiplied with R2, I have of this current I3 clockwise direction. So we will take this current I3 as negative. So this will become negative I3 RV. So according to this loop rule, E1 minus E2 is equal to I R1 plus I2 R2 minus I3 R3.